the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing wonderful. So if you're new, welcome. My name is Hope, and here on this channel, I enjoy feeding my family, sharing what I feed them, grocery hauls here, small parties and events for my family, celebrations, and DIYs and home decor, all on a budget, while remaining hopeful through it all, y'all. So that's what My Life Full of Hope channel is about, and my blog. So you can check out my blog. You can subscribe to the email list, y'all, down below. I have been filling it with freebies, just brain dumping some of everything of what I can do for you guys. So anyway, today is a really small Mod Podge of a haul. I was going to share it because you guys say you want to see what I pick up. I do have like a Target haul and probably something else. Dollar Tree was like a lot of mess, y'all. So I have been on this emergency food prep journey for my family for just about the entire last year. So I'll make sure I put that playlist down below. So we do not have a whole lot that we need other than like fresh produce, something new, something like for a recipe that I may not have. So that's why the hauls may look like this. Like if this is your first time clicking on the channel, this is why. And because of this, I wrote a blog post on this recently, y'all. I have been able to focus on what I eat. Of course, my entire family, making sure they eat healthy too. But concentrating, sometimes when you have a family and not just cooking for yourself, you have to also cook for them too. So I can easily pick and choose like some things that I can eat, like they can eat whatever. Of course, you can be unhealthy eating, not whatever. They can eat this and that and don't gain the weight like y'all know. Women, or, you get older and you don't have kids, or just everybody's chemical makeup is different. So anyway, they can eat my food and theirs and don't hardly gain no weight, but I have to watch what I eat. So this is mainly what I wanted to pick up for myself today to help with my little diet. It's not perfect, and everything else, like I said, I already have in the freezer, fresh frozen chicken, everything else. So today I got from Walmart this Purdue Simply Smart Organic Chicken Tenders. It's gluten-free. I love to put this in the air fryer. I haven't gotten this in a while, and it's really good. I even turned my mom onto this. So I really don't know how many. I am doing track bites or trying to do low carb, less carbs as possible. So it's been working pretty good. It made me irritable sometimes, y'all, but I think the worst is over. So I have to scan to see how many track bites this is. So a lot of people, there was some controversy with Weight Watchers, WW, so they went to track bites. But it's cheaper, so that's my main reason for doing it too. Okay, the rotisserie seasoned chicken, the John Souls Foods. I think this is the same brand that I got the grilled chicken. So I really was looking for something else. I think the steak, even though I have some beef and broccoli I'm going to make today that I got from the meat market, and I need to go back and get some more. So I'm going to make beef and broccoli today. If they want some, they can, but I'll probably make them something separate. But anyway, I thought this looked good. I was just hungry because I didn't eat all day, and I picked this up. And so next time I go to Sam's, I'm going to make sure I get the big thing of the steak. Plus, I didn't like they did have the steak, y'all, but they didn't have the price. I didn't like the price. The price was like $7, and I was like, oh no, ma'am. Oh no, sire. Okay, y'all, so I don't know where I left off. Jason called me in the middle of the video. So anyway, I did pick up, I was on my way out leaving, and you guys know I've talked about the Funfetti before. So if you want, this kind of late though. Valentine's Day is next in 2 weeks. It's next 2 weeks. But anyway, usually they put out the Funfetti early and then you can't find it. So I went ahead and picked this up. This is a good DIY to do with your kids. Of course, you can do it from scratch and all of that. But this is something neat to do with your kids. So I picked this up for Sasa and I to do. And then I couldn't help but to see the Funfetti Oreo cookie pieces. Y'all, this is not my weakness at all. I don't like the chunks in the cookies or nothing. So let me just say that disclaimer. This is not my weakness. A lot of things I do for them. So the Funfetti Oreo, I can eat. Actually, I like Oreo cookies and cream. Is it cookies and cream, y'all? But I'm not a big fan of just eating Oreos like that. So Funfetti Oreo cookie pieces. I got the chocolate and the vanilla, and I got this because Jason doesn't care for chocolate. I know y'all, like, who don't like chocolate? I got 2 of these because you needed 1 for each one. Then I got some romaine hearts so I can make a nice salad. And then I have seen the G. Hughes sugar-free balsamic vinaigrette. I went ahead and got this one. This is the one I was going to get anyway, but I went ahead and got this one because it was the least on the shelf. You guys know I like to get what's less on the shelf because I know it might be good. Okay, so I also got some cauliflower rice, roasted garlic, and I got this. So if I make some rice for them, then I have this for myself if I want rice. I don't have to have rice. Then I got some bacon, the hickory smoke bacon. I usually get the one with the blue pack, which is just a regular hickory, but they didn't have it, the big pack. And then I was watching some keto videos, well, low carb keto, because I ain't trying to do keto, just because I don't have time to be adding all that. Anyway, I'm just doing low carb, because low carb is what you're supposed to be doing if you're a bariatric patient anyway. So I got so anyway, somebody was cooking. She was cooking, and I didn't realize this whole time, y'all, that Walmart had some of the shrimp with the tails off already. I was like, really? Really, Hope? You really didn't know that? And so Jason's sister taught him how to devein and peel shrimp, and I don't know how to. He said it was easy, but when I was looking, I was really reading the description. I was like, wait a minute. So this is why I really never buy this kind. So I said, this is peeled, devein, and the tail off already. So I went ahead and got this. I think it was like $12. Went ahead and got this. So, but Jason said he's gonna teach me. He said it was simple. Okay, so then I got some mashed cauliflower, the original, and the roasted garlic. I'll see if I put her channel down below, but I've been watching her channel and I love her channel. She makes like the food super simple, and it's just inspiring to watch her channel. I can't think of the name of her channel, but I'll put it down below if you are on a journey. I did get a request. Hope, are you going to share what you've been eating? Because I was sharing it on my Instagram. I decided not to share on my Instagram, and to make a long story short, someone witnessed to me about what I share. Not share. She just witnessed to me, not what I share. But I don't really want to go into detail, so I'm going to be cautious of what I do. So I'm just going to, if I do, it'll be on my other channel. If I decide, and I'll let you guys know. So that's why I paused if you on my Instagram of sharing certain things, because I went to my daughter's appointment today. I know I'm doing a lot of talking, y'all. Went to my iron infusion, my second one, and I had my first one not my first one, but the first dosage. And she just witnessed to me. She didn't know me. She ain't seen me. I seen her before, but I never talked to her, and it just confirmed some things. Okay, so I got the G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy. And I have been seeing this around, and people talk about it forever. And I always grab the Sweet Baby Ray's, and to cut some of those points and carbs, I was like, you know what, Hope, I was looking for something else. Just go ahead and buy you some barbecue sauce. So I bought some barbecue sauce in hickory. And again, I got the hickory in these two instead of the original because I was going based off of the shelf. This Sweet Baby Ray's secret sauce doesn't have a lot of carbs in it. 3 carbs per 2 tablespoons. And this didn't hardly have any on the shelf either. I'm not a big fan. Well, I didn't think I was a big fan of horseradish, but I am. Because Texas Roadhouse has these rattlesnake bites, y'all, with this horseradish sauce, and it is so good. I think Chili's has some type of horseradish sauce with something else too, and I didn't even realize that's what it was, and it's good. So anyway, this was the last one, and I seen it in someone's haul, and I went ahead and got it. Okay, I got some Parmesan crisp. I just got a little bag. I'm going to get the big bag. I've been seeing a lot of low carb people pick it up. The big bag from Sam's, and I can get it online. So I'm going to order that. And they've been putting it in their salad. I got the chili sauce. Usually if you're making barbecue meatballs, you use chili sauce. I just picked it up because it was like right there. But it probably was cheaper at Aldi. You use grape jelly with chili sauce, and yeah, that makes it good. So that might be good for Super Bowl or something. I was looking for another seasoning that I seen in a video, and they didn't have it, but I seen people haul one of these. I think this one, or this brand, not necessarily this one. So I was like, you know what, that'll be good on some fish in the air fryer. So I got the seafood blend. And then this one was all the way in the back, y'all. I pay attention to what's on the shelf. I don't say that, I don't know how many times. The Cali Blackened. And so I was like, this will be good on some fish or some salmon in the air fryer. Some Cajun rub. And then it didn't have like a ton of sodium either in it, like some things do. 125 is still a lot, but 180, that's a lot. And then I was looking for my apples, and the last 2 times I went in Walmart, the apples looking crazy, and today they look even more crazier. So I just got some watermelon today, and that's it for my little haul. All that talking, but y'all, I think that's it. Yeah, Trail picked up some bread for me yesterday. That's it, y'all. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.